there, Brad Mayo here, Tom Sparks Auto. You got to check this out, 2018. Look at this, 2018 Toyota Sienna. This baby nice, gray in color, nice alloy wheels, sunroof up on top. You got privacy glass all around this vehicle. Very nice and clean, nice alloy wheels. XLE, it's got the upgraded trim in it, so it's got some nice features, not just your normal XLE. It's got the power liftgate. Of course, it's not going to work because I got the car on, but it's a hot day out. I want to keep the air on. Look at this, great room. Those seats will fold down nice and flat back here. You got this is actually, it's got the quad seats, but you could make it an 8-passenger if you needed to, so that's a nice feature. We'll put that down. As you can see, it's got weather packs in here. Front wheel drive, 6-cylinder. It's clean. I can't say that enough. It's really a nice vehicle. Let's check out the inside. Power sliding doors, as you can see, and we can use both of these. We could open them with our remote. You can open up your power liftgate in the back. Of course, once again, that's not working because I got the car on. There's dual quad seating, like I said. You got cup holders, nice big back seat. WeatherTech mats all throughout the car. Power windows, door locks, mirrors. Nice wood trim throughout the car. AM, FM, satellite radio, backup camera. Of course, you could plug your phone in. You got dual automatic climate control. Heated seats, cup holders, nice stand here. Got USB plug-ins back here. Radio and cruise control on the steering wheel. It does have lane departure, collision alert. It's got the blind spot monitor, power windows, door locks, and mirrors. Nice analog gauges, and you got the sunroof. You pop that baby open, let the wind blow in. What's this thing missing? You need to get down here and buy this one. Hey, check out pictures at TomSparks.com. Don't forget to ask for Brad, and thanks for watching.